Before starting this poem, let me ask you some questions. Which of the following tasks do you associate with your grandmother? Cooking, knitting, preparing pickles, or climbing trees? Have you ever climbed a tree? Did you find the task easy and enjoyable or difficult? In this poem, you will come across some difficult words. Here are the meanings. In a thrice means very quickly. Undaunted means firmly. Sure means job. In state means in grand style. And last word is sherry. It is a kind of wine. First of all, let us read the poem. My grandmother was a genius. You would like to know why? Because she could climb trees, spreading or high. She would be up their branches in a trice. And mind you, when last she climbed a tree, she was 62. Ever since childhood, she would had this gift for being happier in a tree than in a lift. And though as years went by, she would be told that climbing trees should stop when one grew old, and that growing old should be gone about gracefully. She would laugh and say, "Well, I will grow old disgracefully. I can do it better," and we had to agree. For in all the garden there wasn't a tree she hadn't been up at one time or another, having learned to climb from a loving brother when she was 6. But it was feared by all that one day she would have a terrible fall. The outcome was different. While we were in town, she climbed a tree and couldn't come down. We went to rescue and the doctor took Granny's temperature and said, "I strongly recommend a quiet week in a bed." We sighed with relief and tucked her up well. Poor Granny, for her it was like a brief season in hell, confined to her bedroom, while every breeze whispered of summer and dancing leaves. But she held her peace till she felt stronger, then sat up and said, "I will lie here no longer." And she called for my father and told him undaunted that a house in a treetop was what she now wanted. My dad knew his duties. He said, "That's all right. You will have what you want, dear. I will start work tonight." With my expert assistant, he soon finished the shore, made her a tree house with windows under a door. So Granny moved up, and now every day I climb to her room with glasses and a tray. She sits there in a state and drinks sherry with me, upholding her right to reside in a tree. Now let us see what the poet wants to convey from this poem. This poem is written by Ruskin Bond. Here, poetically he describes his granny's love for trees. The poet begins the poem by calling her genius. Her genius means he is calling her grandmother a genius, as she could climb tree of any type easily. She had learned it from her brother when she was 6, and she had been climbing trees since then. As she grew old, she was advised not to climb trees, as it looked disgraceful. However, She did not pay any attention to the advice. It was feared that one day she would fall, but she never fell. However, one day when she was alone at home, she climbed a tree but could not come down. She was rescued from the tree top. After that, she fell ill. The doctor was called. He took her temperature and advised her bed rest for a week. Everyone felt relieved as this would curb Granny's tree climbing. Quite contrary to everyone's expectation, the Granny grew miserable lying in the bed. Obviously, she was missing tree climbing. She sat up on her bed and declared she would not be confined to bed any longer. She called Poet's father and instructed him to a house built up for her in the treetop. The dutiful dad did the Granny's wish. With the poet's help, he built a beautiful treetop house for Granny. Granny moved into the treetop house. The poet took her meals up the treetop house. She had a wonderful time living in the treetop house. So, this poem shows the love which bonds family shares, and with that this poem talks about the unusual events going on in their lives, because poet has portrayed whatever is going in their lives beautifully. Hope, my dear students, you have understood this poem. Now let us quickly recapitulate what we have studied today. The poem Granny's Tree Climbing is written by Ruskin Bond. The poet talks about the passion of his grandmother of climbing trees since she was really young, and she did it till she was 62 in age. The whole family is concerned about the grandmother because they fear that one day she might fall or injure herself. Then one day the grandma climbs the tree and finds herself stuck there. Then everyone takes her to the doctor, and doctor advises her rest. Then grandma finally tells everyone that she cannot live without a tree, so she wants a tree house. Poet and his father make a tree house. This poem shows the love which poet's family share, and with that this poem talks about the unusual events going on in their lives. Based on the poem, here is a short assignment for you. Enjoy your day. Thank you.